Amir with the first ball, the left arm seamer. Runs straight away. Off the outside edge. And catch taken. So first wicket for the Raiders. Hyderabad just blundering a bit in this run chase.
Yeah, first ball for Arbez as well. And that back of a length, maybe the moisture just helps it just skid through. And it's a good catch. Zaya Ullah, who's down at third. And it's a good start for the Raiders. Not so good for the Hunters. Arbez Khan goes without scoring. 1 for 1.
Required rate in this run chase, just under 12. So there is pressure on this batting pair to get boundaries in the over, at least one. It's a good hard length.
Yeah, you can just see it just skidded off the surface as well. It's a good catch by Zayola because he was coming in at third and then just had to check.
Swing away. And there is that error in the field. Luckily for his teammate, just pulling it back.
Wasif at the non-strikers actually forgot to put his bat in and went back. A bit of a misfield. Straight through him, and you'd imagine that ball just running over that outfield, just going to get a bit damper. I'm going to just have to do a check, the umpires, just to see whether this is okay. That's fine. Let's just check if this carries on, and he's okay.
Wonderful use of the short ball. Was that high? Swinging hard to leg, didn't quite make contact. Of course, we are searching for a winner in this match, but you can be a winner. If you go to Decode official social media site, you can win fabulous prizes. Decode official smartphone partner for Pakistan Junior League 2022. Just 5 runs from the first over, last delivery. Goes high, offside, and it's got the distance to go for 4. So that's a positive end to the over. Hyderabad Hunters finish after 1 over, 9 for 1.
You just sense that they knew they had to try and get a boundary off this last delivery. Talk about the run rate. 9 for 1 is a good start for the Hunters as well. Again, just skidding away. Yeah, it's quite a decent over, to be fair, from Amir Hassan with his little bit of pace. A couple of left-handers in now, which makes it a little bit more comfortable for a bowler. You're not having to swap lines between left-hander and right-hander.
PC delivery to start, a little bit wayward with the return to the bowler. Well, that's a no ball. Cardinal sin.
It will be that free hit. Yeah, you're right.
Doesn't help the situation. It will be another free hit by virtue of the wide. Bowled him, but it wouldn't count. Of course, it's a free hit. Another one. It's all going horribly wrong for Raza and the Raiders.
Yeah, you can just see as well, his team are just looking at him here and saying, come on, mate, got to get it behind. I know you're trying to push that front line. You're trying to bowl a bit of pace as well. It's when it's contact on the floor. That's a harsh call.
And again. Chance for the run out. And the umpire will just check and review that the batter was short.
Oh, he's definitely short. 100% he's short. The captain sent back. Munib Waseeb was hitting a not very nice area and couldn't run. Absolutely he's gone. He's not even in the frame. Remember, it was a free hit. It was a no ball called again before he tried to get on strike. Oh, he's out. Captain has to go. He can't believe it. What were you running on a no ball for? And it's still a no ball. He's gone for 8, 17 for 2.
Gets away with this one. Dominic, your bowler. I would have advised for this young man.
Yeah, he's just got to try and get it a little bit further outside the off stump. He slips, so does the batter. Direct hit. It's the end of the captain. No balls, everything. But yeah, he's just got to just hold and settle a little bit. Think of the area you want to bowl. You're bowling round the wicket.
That's much better. Word of advice, properly executed. And he gets another wicket for his team. The Raiders doing quite well despite it being a lengthy over, conceding lots of wides and free hits.
Perfect. Into the surface, that fourth stump line. Look, pitches outside, tries to swing across the line, top of middle stump. And even if it does swing from that, it's so difficult for a left-hander to pick you up over. Deep square leg for 6. Delight. Another wicket in the over. Afaq Khan goes without scoring. 19 for 3.
Much better length.
Trying to open up that deep mid-wicket area, and when you're not used to the surface, it looks like it's skidding on, and the pace.
There is another. And it's not the delivery that goes away from the right-hander. It nips in, hits that off stump. And that's a double wicket strike with a run out in this, the second over. 19 for 4.
Third first bowler as well for the Hunter batters. This one again, just nipped back into the surface. That hard length that just maybe keeps down a little bit. As Rana tried to come in and hit him straight back over his head. Expensive over, but 3 wickets in it. He goes for naught. 19 for 4.